Installing a theme in OpenCart can significantly enhance the appearance and functionality of your online store. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Purchase or download the theme. Obtain a compatible OpenCart theme from a reputable marketplace, such as the OpenCart Marketplace or other third-party providers. Ensure the theme is compatible with your OpenCart version. Extract the theme files. Once downloaded, extract the zip file to access the theme files. Typically, you will find folders like Catalog, Admin, and the theme folder named after the theme. Upload theme files. Use an FTP client to upload the extracted theme files to your OpenCart installation. Upload the contents of the catalog folder to your_OpenCart_root/catalog and the admin folder to your_OpenCart_root/admin. Install the theme. Log into your OpenCart admin panel. Navigate to Extensions, and select Themes from the drop-down menu. Find your new theme and click the Install button. Activate the theme. After installation, click the Edit button next to the theme. In the settings, choose your theme from the drop-down and save your changes. Clear cache. Finally, clear your cache by going to Dashboard, Gear icon, Clear Theme Cache.